Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I've still got this AirPod in. I'm gonna leave it in because, you know, it's a stylish accessory hat from the trends of fashion winter 18. I'm so hot right now. It is literally uncomfortable how hot it is in the UK, and my naked thighs are attached to this seat. I'm gonna have to have a man come in and peel me off. That is disgusting and TMI, and if you've just clicked on my channel for the first time, I wouldn't be angry at you if you're now clicking off. Hey,
what's up?
Today I'm recreating Kendall Jenner's Vogue makeup tutorial. I've seen a few people do this. It wasn't fun, to say the least. This video is literally like a live documentation of a mental breakdown. If Netflix don't sign me up for a documentary series after this video, I'm not proud of the end result and I'm not proud of my attitude throughout. However, we stuck with it because Mama didn't raise a quitter. That was physical, wow. Ooh. Is there actually a difference when I tense? I can't tell. The manly man I am. I can't remember what I was saying. I've just applied a plumping lip gloss and my lips are tingling and it feels very uncomfortable. But apart from that, enjoy the video, because I didn't. So if you didn't enjoy it, really, it was just a pointless experience which no one got any joy out of. Let's get on with it! Woo! I bet you're excited to see this now. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Ah! I'm angry.
If you can tell.
It doesn't record anymore. I'm filming on my vlog camera. I need to switch my fan off and I'm actually gonna boil to death because I am a British boy born and bred. It is 34 degrees or something like that. It's probably not even that hot, but it feels like that and I'm just... I'm having a breakdown and I'm catching up. I feel like Trisha Paytas. Anyway, yeah, I'm literally sweating my actual non-existent tits off. I'm in a furious mood because my expensive camera's broken and...
yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so if you can actually hear background music, I'm sorry, but I'm not shutting my window as well because then you will literally be left with a puddle of human existence because I wouldn't survive through that. Should we do this video now? Because I've been recording for 3 minutes. If you can't read, maybe you're illiterate, maybe you decided to not read the title. If either of those two are you, I'm recreating Kendall Jenner's Vogue makeup tutorial. I wanted to do Kylie or Rihanna, but two people who I like follow have done those recently, and you know, everything on YouTube has to be original and you have to be the first person ever to do it. I haven't seen anyone do Kendall. If you have, then you're not me, so...
Whoa, whoa, yes, I see.
I'm gonna use my AirPods. Sorry, not trying to brag, I do have AirPods. Please don't think that was big-headed or anything. I'm just stating facts, spitting bars. Ooh, we are connected. Oh, what is wrong with my brain? I can't speak. I just can't speak. Okay, right, I have not watched this video yet, so this is gonna be an experience. It's 2 minutes long. So somehow I'm gonna have to get this video to over 10 minutes because I need to put multiple mid-roll ads in so I can buy the new pairs of Yeezys. Let's go, ladies. Okay, my Wi-Fi's being really slow. Ooh, hey, ooh, ha, hey.
I'm Kendall. I'm just gonna do my...
That was loud. I always thought she was the boring one. No offense, Kendall. I know you're gonna be watching this. You're my best friend. Ride or die, sweaty. But why is she shouting at me? Anyway.
I'm gonna do my everyday makeup for you guys. You have to believe that I'm doing all of this myself.
What? Why do we have... That was just the weirdest statement to ever say. Okay, okay, well, I think I just broke my camera. Oh no. Hi everybody, welcome to me having a breakdown 2.0. You know what? No, because... Why did she have to clarify that she was doing it herself? We're about to watch a 2-minute 7-second video of her applying the makeup herself. Foundation. What happened to primer, sweetie?
Double Wear Nude Estee Lauder.
And also, I don't have that foundation. Estee Lauder, put me on your PR list. I do know that that is a full coverage foundation though. This is the most similar one that I have on me in my presence right now. YSL, what is this foundation actually called? I don't know. Ow! 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 Oh my god. That squirted everywhere.
That's what she said.
What kind of brush is she using?
I don't really like to put too much.
Put me in a bit of a tricky situation, Kendall. I'm gonna use... I feel like it was quite similar to this brush, apart from mine is disgusting and dirty, and she probably has a team of 4 people to wash her makeup brushes. Haha, jealousy is a disease, bitch. Okay, she said she didn't put too much on. I'm putting quite a lot on, let's not lie here. Okay, I need to actually stop. Okay, wow. Ow. I don't know why I said ow, nothing's hurting. My brain is physically not working this morning,
So,
we're just gonna buff that out. I'm gonna get makeup all over this AirPod. I feel like such like a businesswoman with these on. I could literally, like, the level of coolness I feel when I wear these is like 6 times normal. Maybe even 6.5. I just feel like I got a hair in my mouth, and I hope that's blonde, so it's not mine. Gross. That is definitely not part of Kendall Jenner's makeup routine. Let me tell you that. Okay, so now we slay. Let's continue on with the toots. Oh, sweetie. Kendall, you are a multi-millionaire. I just need to ask a quick question. Why are you using your fingers? Sweetie, you can afford a brush. You can afford, oh, even a beauty blender. You can afford it. The Real Techniques one's like $5. Stop. It's unhygienic and just trashy. Okay, let's see the formation she does it. Okay, so she does it like that. I don't know if she is putting it here because she has spots. I mean, she definitely doesn't, so I don't know if she's just trying to be like a relatable teen. 4 dots under her eyes. 5! Illuminati confirmed. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what 5 is in Spanish. I feel like that's quite similar to her.
My makeup in cars, in porta potties.
So first of all, you're telling me that you do your makeup with your fingers.
gross.
Now you're telling me you do it in porta potties. How do you not have like chlamydia or herpes? Actually saying that she probably does it in like rich people porta potties. So like for her, doing her, this feels gross by the way, can I just confirm if you were wondering, do not use your fingers. But for her, doing her makeup in a porta potty would be like a hotel toilet on stilt in a field. So, this is not fun. I'm not enjoying myself. Kendall Jenner, expect a lawsuit to say the least. Disgusting! Disgusting!
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
Okay, so I've grossly blended it out with my finger. Now let's continue on.
I'm not kidding. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there.
Okay, so she did this.
I
Ready to go.
usually pluck them. Sometimes I wax, but only under.
Okay, no, stop speaking, sweetie. I need... Ah! Everything's just moving a bit too fast and I'm getting really discombobulated and confused. She's using like a, slanted eyebrow pencil, so am I, because anything Kendall Jenner does, I do.
I have like a line of an eyebrow. My sisters yelled at me. They throw all the tweezers.
We really didn't get to see how she did her eyebrows there, I'm not gonna lie here. I'm just gonna try and recreate it. I hate slanted eyebrow pencils, let me just clarify that right now. This video is literally the biggest mess in this world. If you're new here, this isn't any different to anything else. I'm not gonna even try and lie to you. Oh, ugh, I'm too far into this now to stop. Oh, okay, I was about to get up. Then I realized I wasn't wearing any trousers because otherwise I would actually spontaneously combust if I was and literally be showing a naked child online. But like, Kiki.
Do you love me?
Do you see that? My little mark right here. Right now. You know when you just get like too far into something and you're not having fun but it's too far to turn back now? Me with this video. I am literally so weak. My arm is physically like tired and strained from holding an eyeshadow palette. Yes, yes, more like
Yes, slay queen, am I right?
oh my god, my skin is wet from sweat. First of all, ew, TMI, I don't know why I'm telling you this. Oh my god. This video could literally be titled Lookingforlewys complaining for 10 minutes. Okay, I feel like my eyebrows look somewhat like hers. If they don't, I cannot be bothered to fix them, so.
My favorite part. I kind of pinch it to make it even thinner.
Ugh, her mind amazes me. Okay, so, I actually want to physically, I can feel tears at the back of my eyes right now. I'm seriously considering stopping this whole entire video. Mama didn't raise a quitter, sweetie, so let's get to it. I have a MAC bronzer, which kind of looks like that, but I don't know where it's gone. Okay guys, don't panic, it's here. She's just like, oh, she said she was pinching her brush, face and neck, pussy and crack. This pinching thing is not fun. Pinching it is horrible. Why is she telling me to do something which is making my makeup look worse? Honestly, deciding to recreate her makeup was the worst idea of my entire life. But Kendall, if you ever start a makeup line, feel free to send me PR. Oh my god, this is... Do you see how, like, twisted my hand is right now? I feel like I've actually just pulled a muscle in my upper arm. That's not what this is called, is it? I just go to the gym a lot, and work on my upper arm. Bicep, tricep, I don't know. She put it on her neck. Oh my god, I've got a sweaty lower lip. So, what's everyone been up to today? Cool. Oh, I was just using the wrong brush, because pinching this on this, it's going a lot better. Thanks, Kendall, for the top tips. I feel like that's as good as you're gonna get from me and my man boobs.
And do a tiny bit of eyeshadow.
Okay, too fast. A little bit of bronzer. And eyeshadow. Sorry, Kendall, didn't realize you were not like the other girls. Oh, wow. Makeup artists everywhere are shaking right now. They retired. They have decided to go to a country farm upstate and live there for the rest of their life. Guys, I'm not trying to brag, but I look disgusting. So yeah, like I'm totally having a really fun time. Okay, mascara. What mascara is that?
Whatever looks cute, put it on makeup.
I don't know what mascara is, but it looks expensive and like I don't own it. So I'm just gonna use this. Her eyelashes look insane. Did she? Oh, she didn't curl her lashes. She definitely has lash extensions or a lash lift or something. So I'm totally gonna cheat and give myself eyelash colors. If you don't like it, click off the video. Hot. And we're just, you know, sticking that in.
That's what he said. Oh, look, there's me in the mirror. What's up, BJ? Oh, who's that?
Wow. Okay, well, my eyelashes are looking nothing like hers. That doesn't matter. Ah! Honestly, there is never a time when I use mascara that it doesn't go somewhere on my face. I don't know if it's because I'm messy or what it is, but, yeah, subscribe for just, like, more relatable sayings like that you could, like, put in your Instagram bio.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better down.
Okay, well, slay. Yes, queen, slay. Oh my god. I literally feel sorry for this eye. It is so gross. Okay, thank god we're onto lipstick so I can actually finish this.
I like take it and I like dab it.
She's gonna dab it. Hello and welcome back to another episode of I Hate Myself in Every Part of Me. That did nothing. Listen, if I'm doing a step in my makeup routine, I actually want it to do something. T. It's not doing anything, Kendall.
And gloss.
I've got some gloss. Just a little... Yeah, that's just me. Every day. Disgusting, and like, I've just been thrown up on the side of a pavement. Thanks for watching, bye guys!
I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, but I like to pop.